Hi everyone! Alright, this is Stephanie here, and I am going to show you, I need to make a custom roller. So this is what I'm making. It is actually one I use for supporting my adrenals, supporting my lymphatic system, endocrine system, because I want to, really it's my endocrine system to help kind of get things moving, cleanse, help support my liver and kidneys as well, just all of that good stuff. Part of it is I kind of chose these oils based on knowing what they do for me. Zendocrine is our detoxification blend. So I want to keep moving things out of, kidneys and livers, things that might be sitting there in my lymphatic system, and keep things moving and grooving so that it doesn't stay there and cause other issues down the road. Arborvitae can be very cleansing and supportive. This also helps keep bugs away, which is kind of cool. And then we've got copaiba, which is just an enhancing oil. So anything you pair it with is going to help enhance. It's also great for supporting any aches, discomforts you might have. And for me, it's just one I add to pretty much anything I make anymore. Basil is a great cleansing and support oil that way as well. Cypress, a friend shared that it was kind of like using a bleach to clean things, whiten things, brighten things, but it's also great for supporting and moving things and getting things out of stuck in your lymphatic system that might be stuck there. So this is to help kind of drain and get things moving, but continue to that process so I don't have some of that swelling that might come on, just to help support with the inflammation that might happen and take place within my lymphatic system, especially my endocrine and liver. Then we have DDR Prime, which is our essential oil cellular complex blend. I have this oil. It also comes in soft gels, but I like having both so that I can make rollers like this. So you see there's a ton of oils in there. Lots of great oils. Ooh, Naioli. Look at that, you guys. That's a great cleansing oil. We talked about that in our videos today. And it's the free oil this month when you do 125. That's where I knew I'd seen it. So Naioli is similar. It's in the family of Melaleuca on there, or tea tree. So it's got similar properties. But it's also good for skin. Copaiba is good for skin support too. So this is what I'm making. I tend to roll it over my low back, over my kidneys. I roll it over my liver on the front. I also will sometimes put it on my armpits because we sweat there a lot, you guys. And sometimes it's my natural deodorant. So that's why I've gone through it really, really quickly. Hi, Wally. And I probably need to just make a bunch of these and have them ready to go. As you notice, I put on stickers. So I remember what the blend is when I go to make it again. This is just a little hack. I did my drops at the top and then I put tape over. That is all I did. You guys, it's super simple, super easy. Look at that. So that's how I'm going to remember, is because I wrote the drops. Like I said, this is something I created based on looking up in my books, and we're going to open and show you. So this is a stainless steel roller. I actually am reusing from one of these other rollers. It was probably a tea tree or Melaleuca roller. I actually use my cap here to pop off. It may not work this time because I'm looking at the camera and not at my actual thing. So I use the cap. As you can see, I'm struggling. Otherwise, you can get a key. Or you can be like me and pull it out that way. So I've got my fractionated coconut oil. I believe these are out of stock or limited, the pumps, but they make a difference. So when they are back in stock, be sure to get them. So that's how I make it roll on a lot easier. But we're going to start with 15 drops of Zendocrine here. I like putting Zendocrine in my water to drink too. If you use Zendocrine, share with me how you use it. Bottom of the feet's a great place too. If you take it in water, make sure you drink plenty of water during the day because, like I said, it's the detoxification blend. All right. Oh, this smells so good. All right, I've got, good thing it's not full. See, I'm doing this under the camera. 10 drops of DDR. It actually did not spill anywhere, you guys. All right, so we're gonna do 10. I think I got 12. It's okay. I love the smell of this. Maybe that's why I've been missing it. We're gonna do Arbor Vitae. And I think it says on here, like I said, I gotta look, 10. Like, you may want to aim for that amount, and sometimes, like you just saw, I get more with the DDR, and they do come out fast. Then we've got 10 basil. Yeah, I've missed this blend. It smells amazing to me right now. And then we're gonna do 5 copaiba and then 5 cypress. So we're gonna start with the copaiba. And then 5 cypress. See how easy this is? I'm just adding to a roller I already had. And then I'm going to add my fractionated coconut oil. And I'm going to add it up to the shoulder here. This one's running low. But I love how easy it is with the pump. You have to buy them separate, but we're up to the shoulder, probably a little bit past, but that's okay. And then I'm going to stick on. It's got the roller inside. I'm gonna push and twist and I'll feel it pop in and it'll go down. That way you're not having to use your hand. I got a little oil on the table, but it was probably just because I didn't aim correctly. There's the roller, it's on and it's ready to go. So like I said, I usually roll on my kidneys or my liver area, and it works really, really well. I love it. So if you have a roller that you use for lymphatic support, share with me. I'd love to hear what you use and why. This is just something I created and I love, and I use it as a deodorant as well. And it smells so woodsy and it's just a happy scent for me. I love the smell. So thought I'd share, and hopefully you guys enjoy that video. That's how I make a rollerball. And how I find my information is my books and research and looking on doTERRA's site. And that's how I figured it out. So see you all next time. Have a great rest of your day and happy oiling.